Hello everyone, here's Mel Janka again with Gen R3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today is day number 6 of your 21-day challenge, and we will be doing shoulders. This is the most dynamic and complete joint of all. So it needs care, and we use it all the time, and sometimes we're sore from here because of how we sleep, because of how we work, because in the computer. So we are gonna work it really nice today. Remember, you're gonna need some weights. Your body weight will do, but if you have 2 small dumbbells or plates, go ahead and grab them and let's get ready. Remember, we begin with cardio, 1 track, then we're gonna be doing shoulders, and then we end with stretching and restoring your body. Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna get the music ready and start right away. Listen to the beat. So the cardio portion is for you to get your body ready for the next exercise, yes? I teach you some choreographies, but I would like for you to feel free and do your thing. Just move, yeah? Hold it here, shoulder, shoulder, yeah? Single, single, double shoulder. Okay, we're gonna move again, starting going to the right. Hands keeping right in the front to build a little bit of tension on those shoulders. Hold it in the center, single, single, double. Yeah? I'm having fun, yeah? So I hope you are too. Let's go. By the way, this is the track where we are building our mind, yes? Remember, I always say, build your mind. This is it. I'm gonna explain you why. Yeah, do it again. Just a little bit bigger, bending those knees, kind of bouncing, yes? Single, single, double shoulder. You're gonna use your arms to make them work harder. Good job. Do it again. So, why are you building your mind when you dance? Well, it is proven dance is the #1 routine that keeps your brain healthy. Yeah, you don't believe me? Find it up. Yeah, look it up. Yes, it's dance. Why? Because we're using so many things at the same time, trying to follow music, trying to get the movement going. So we're gonna kind of move and think. Eventually, we don't think anymore. Yes? So that's what we want. Build the mind. Let's go. Let's go. Out. Out. Up. And no, make it big. Open those arms. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 again. Get ready? Single. Good job. Get ready for the shoulders. Yeah. Good. Including the core here. Yes? Let's go. So again, dance. Who would have believed it? Yeah. It keeps your mind healthy. Good. We're gonna go again. 4 more. Yeah. Beautiful. Now going forward. Yes, we did it. So that was your shoulder warm-up track. We're gonna go into strength. 2.5 pounds. And you can do bottle waters, okay? A bottle every side and you'll do good. So for here, what we want is to make sure we have a stance that supports our body work. And we're not putting the effort on the back. So we have side raises, we're gonna have rotators, yes? And we're gonna have it in different tempos so your muscle kind of creates some type of chaos in there, making your muscle stronger, okay? So roll your shoulders for me, bend your elbows, keep them right under the shoulder, a big line, super slow. Bring it down. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go out, out, in, just simple side raise on tempo. Yes.
I can't believe there's something left in my
Good.
chest anymore.
That's awesome. We're gonna go up quick, down slow. And when you come down, I would like for you to squeeze those muscles. Yes. Good. One more. Get ready. Rotate. And 1, 2. 1 and 2. So we go up, flip, down and down. Yes. Good. One more. Okay. Now we're gonna hold. Bring it up and hold. Right here. We're gonna go in and out. Yes. Beautiful. Good job. You already feeling it? Nice. Okay, listen to me. Bring it down. Now, look at me. Out. Out. Forward, forward. Bring it in. 1 and 2. Now, bring it forward and out and down. Yes. Let's try to do tempo. Let's try. Out. Again. Yes, come on. Awesome. Hold it here. Let's go up. 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 So can you see now? We're still working those minds. Yes, alternating our brain hemispheres and working hard. Yep. Awesome. Woo, okay, bring it down, bring it down. Bring it out. Circle. Bring it in and hold. Let's go again. Out. Down. Big circles. Oh. Love again. Ow. Okay, we're gonna take a break. Ready? Shake it a little bit. I'm feeling it. How about you? Let's go. We're gonna go up, up, and then typical overhead extensions with shoulders. Yes? Down and up. Let's go. Up and down. Good job. Keep your elbows facing forward, please. I'm feeling it. How about you? Good job. Good job. Try to keep your brace abdominal, okay? Nice and easy. Take it down. Out. Just different movements, making our shoulders work hard. Yeah? For more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now super slow. I know. Stay with me. Stay with me. These are the hard ones because we're using only muscle. Right, your shoulders. Done. Done. You can put this away. Take your shoes off and get really comfortable and get fully in tune with your body for your stretching. This one, we're gonna begin sitting in the center of the mat. I love this song. I hope you do too. So simple, okay? Big inhale. Big exhale. Close your eyes. Connect. Awesome. Inhale, reach up. Look up. Open one hand. Place it on the floor. And then C shape with the other hand. Bend the elbow if you want. Yeah. Inhale. Place the hand. Bend the elbow a little. And go for the twist. The C shape. Good. All the way down. Shake it. Now look at me. We're gonna bring one up and the other one behind the back. Yes. Bend. Ooh. Okay. Stay where you are a minute. Turn around so you can see how it looks. Stay where you are, okay? So you bend this one and bend the other one. And try lifting your chest. All right, good. Release. Let's go on the other side. Lift high, bend. You're already feeling it. If you're like me, I'm feeling it already, especially in my right shoulder, which sometimes gets sore after sleeping on that side of the body. Take a big inhale. Hold in there a little bit. If you're flexible, you might want to go forward a little. But if you feel the stretch, just let it be. Awesome. Now undo super slowly. Great. One step closer to your health. One class at a time. Okay, let's go into child pose. Open your knees out. Your toes touch. Okay? You're gonna begin with it, stretching the front of the shoulder or pectoral, which we also work. Bend one elbow, stretch the other hand. All right. Now, bring that hand, thread the needle for the back of the shoulder. Relax your head down. We did this one, if I remember correctly, on the tricep track. Good. Lift and change. More. For 1,000 more. Oh, beautiful. Stretch. Take a big inhale. Enjoy. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. When you're ready, undo. And let's go here. Open wide. Thumbs up. Can you feel it? Yes. Twist to the other side and go back as much as you can. Awesome job. Now, hands go to the back. And you pull those knuckles really, really low. Okay? Squeezing the shoulder blades. Kind of pushing your head up. Your chin up, so you stretch even your neck right here. Squeezing your glutes, release. All the way up. Yes. One more stretch, open. Sitting there. You're gonna open bigger this time and stretch the leg. Open really, really big. Make sure your hand goes on under the shoulder. Awesome. Other side. Open and go for it. Stretch and make sure that hand is under the shoulder. Putting a little bit of pressure on that socket and then release forward. Sit straight. Inhale big. And you are officially done with today's class. Thank you for being here. Remember, this is your 21-day challenge. And if you are here, you're passed through that difficult, I don't know what I'm doing, part of your exercise, your routine. So congratulations, you're getting it done. See you tomorrow. Bye.